Mr. François Thiebaud. So let's enjoy together his message, please.
Good evening. Welcome to all my Indian friends, and a special welcome to our great ambassador, Virat Kohli. Virat, I apologize, and also to all of you that I cannot attend tonight to the event, but I know you're there. And at least, Virat, I can look at you. Huh? You see, I see you. And of course, my partner, they see you in real. And ladies and gentlemen, what you will discover tonight, you will discover the first watch that we made for the best worldwide cricketer if you want. It's the Chrono XL. It's a beautiful watch. I will show you. You will discover that watch. So don't you believe this amazing watch with such great ambassador is really amazing, fantastic. So you saw at Tissot, we love our ambassador like Virat Kohli. We are very proud to have great ambassador like Virat Kohli, Deepika Padukone, Tony Parker, and many others. But we do not forget that we have also a lot of worldwide ambassadors. Every year we get 4 million new ambassadors that are buying Tissot. And that can discover the historical assets of Tissot. So innovative product we have, and we'd like to thank them. And I can assure you, this new ambassador, they feel very proud when they can see somebody like Virat with our ambassador. So enjoy your evening. I apologize to not be with you, but I'm sure you will have a great evening. Thanks to all of you. Bye-bye.
Just we have a few questions for you from the media. How was your journey with Tissot as a brand ambassador so far?
Well, it started in 2016 when we announced it here, as Olivia rightly mentioned before, and it's been an association which has been very professional, firstly. Secondly, I haven't felt like I've been pushed in any way from the brand, and they've been very responsive, they've been very kind. They invited me to come to Switzerland as well, which I couldn't go when I was in England, which I regret because I didn't have enough time, but I would love to go and see the history behind the brand. The association has been wonderful. Now it's been taken to another level with my own watch coming out, and it's an association which I'm really proud of, and I have zero complaints, that I can assure you.
So with regards to that, what are your contributions or your inputs in terms of the design elements that have gone to making this watch?
Well, the chrome dial is something that I wanted, along with the color blue, which is the Indian jersey color, which is quite special to me. It's quite special to the whole country as well. The number 18, which is my jersey number, again, something that people associate me with. And my V logo, which is embossed within the dial, is a classy touch. At the same time, it's got my signature at the back also. So I couldn't have asked for anything more in a watch. They've put all the elements that are special to me, and something that I wanted from my side. It's just been replicated in the watch, which I think is not something that everyone is comfortable doing, but they believed in the inputs, and obviously I believe in their abilities, of course. And that's how the partnership happened to create this special watch.
That's wonderful, Virat. Thank you so much for making this a spectacular evening.